Choppers, yes, I'm aware that I'm on mute. I'm just dealing with something quickly now. I'm still with you guys. Just give me a second, please. I'm just wrapping up something quickly. All right, choppers. Yes, I know I'm on mute. I'm still on the line. Please bear with me, guys. I'm just sorting out an emergency here. I'm still with you guys. We're still together. What you see on your screen here, this is silver that we spoke about on Sunday. We wanted to buy silver at exactly $79 per ounce there. There it is, went smoothly to the upside. This is a trade you could have taken yesterday. So yeah, please, in the meantime, can you please do me a favor, like this stream, guys? Please like the stream. I'm just trying to sort out something quickly. But I'm with you guys. I'm with you guys. We haven't even started with prayer. We haven't done much. Yeah, but I'm sorting something quickly and then we'll be rocking. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good morning, good morning. It's a beautiful morning. Is it Wednesday today, the 11th of February? Few days to Valentine. Happy Valentine's to all the choppers in the house. I don't know if you guys celebrate Valentine, guys. It's a man-made thing. I don't know, but there are rumors that Valentine is postponed to next year. Okay, so if you got nothing for your partner, don't worry. Next year is there because it's postponed to next year. Let's mark the register quickly just before we start. Fungile is in the house. Say good morning, choppers, and Mr. President. Don Malawi is in the house. Samson is being a long time, my friend. Where have you been? Stabby is in the house. It's a morning all. Let's see what the markets have for us today. I'll be honest with you guys. The markets for me have been very much slow this week. I've really not done much, if I'm being honest. Musa saying you are muted. Yeah, I was just on a long call, man. So I always tell you guys that if you are going to experience some issues, whether with withdrawal or with deposit, and you are using Okta, I promise you, and I always tell you guys that some things will have to wait until I make sure that you are sorted out, because we are talking of money here. So when somebody is making a deposit or someone is withdrawing money, I promise you, I make sure that I attend to that case. So sorry about that, guys. I was just on the line helping someone with some execution there on the Okta platform. So he's been having some issues from last night. So I was just on the line with the business development manager from Okta, and also I was on the line with the client. So I was just helping him out there. So that is also the perks of using Okta being under us, because when you have issues, you don't have to go directly to them. Come to me and say, hey, MJ, I've got a problem. I made a withdrawal. It should be reflecting in 5 minutes. It's being 15 minutes. What's going on? And I just take my phone and I make one phone call and it should be sorted in no time. Okay, Tapel is saying it's also in the house. Say good morning, Choppers and Mr. President. Informative channel is also in the house. Non-Tati say good morning, Mr. President and the Choppers. Yesterday I was looking at to take a short position on British Pound USD $1.36814 on 1 hour and missed that because I was not at home. But it was a nice setup. Was that a counter? Was that a counter? Let me know if that was a counter. We've got Ruzani is in the house as well. Bule Law is also in the house. Dimpo is saying good morning, Choppers. Vernon is asking, morning MJ, I watched yesterday's podcast, very interesting conversation. I hope you liked that episode. And please guys, like I always say, if you are going to subscribe on this channel, go to Top Trader Network and subscribe as well. There Debo is saying no Lavala, no Valentine coming. Yeah, so as a president, I'm officially announcing that there's no Valentine this year. You can record this, I can record it for you, and I can send you this recording. As a president, I'm saying there's no Valentine this year. We will see Valentine next year. For now, we are going to be focusing on important things. Okay, so as a president, I've already spoken. Yeah, so you can take this clip and then show it to your partner. That the other guy that is in Pretoria there in Union Building, remember, he's other people's president. But as your president, I'm saying no Valentine this year. I'm closing it there. Okay, so if you agree with me, please just drop a comment there and say we hear you. Then I know that you guys are agreeing with me. No Valentine this year. Okay, please allow me to pray and we start with the stream. Father, in Jesus' name, Lord, thank you for giving us this opportunity, the grace to come and speak to your people. We don't take it for granted, oh Lord. We are thanking you for what you've given us. Even the ones you did not give us, you saw it fit that we don't deserve it as yet because you've got an ultimate plan. The plans are always known by you. Father, may you heal our hearts, heal our souls, also heal us from any bodily harm or any bodily pain that we are going through. Thank you so much, Lord, because you are a healer. You are the Alpha and the Omega. You can never leave us nor forsake us. We are praying that also our heart's desires, oh God, please grant them as we are asking that we navigate through this complex market. We are praying and we are praying that let this Wednesday be a day of profit so that we can feed our families. In the name of Jesus, we are asking. May the chopper say amen and amen. Okay, so you will always yeah, we hear you. Yeah, no Valentine. No Valentine. No Valentine this year. Okay, guys, let's do some work. Let's do some work. Fenesto, it's been a long time, my friend. Where have you been? There are a lot of good friends of ours here, the Choppers Nation, and be quiet, guys. I don't know what's been happening. Is it BX Fitness is saying your price action knowledge and how you trade is insane and impressive. Thank you, my friend. Thank you so much. Since non-time is saying it was a counter. We'll have a look at it now. We'll just have a look at it, yeah. Yeah, Luke is saying we hear you, sir. So that means Luke is also agreeing with me. No Valentine this year. We want to make money. We really want to make money. Okay, so let's do a recap on silver. Then we're gonna jump on gold. So this is what we had said on Friday stream. I said let's buy silver at $71.30 and go to the upside. On Sunday, I played this out for you and I said if we gap to the upside, wait for a discount at around $78, $79 per ounce, and then buy it to the upside. You could have easily had your 1:2 there. Indecision candlestick forming there. And then you can aim for your 1:2 there. It is around this. If you're still holding this silver, I don't see why not. You're still above VWAP. VWAP is trading at $82.32. You're still well in the money. You can still hold that silver. If you are not yet in silver, don't buy it now. It's already late. People already bought it here according to the analysis for Sunday evening. Okay, fine. Gold. Let me reduce the music a bit. Okay, fine. Let's have a look at gold. So gold is now trading at 5,060. I've been monitoring gold for quite some time, especially the whole day yesterday. So I really want to see how we behave around this level here. So it seems like we retested this level around the 4th of February, which was last week Wednesday. Today is another Wednesday. What I am seeing here is, if you want to buy gold, wait until we break this key level, okay? Because if you're going to buy now, this thing can easily do something like this. Go to the upside and then drop, okay? So it will not make sense to buy it at this high. We need to violate this level. Even on 4 hours, it's pretty much clear that we had an impulsive movement to the upside, correction. So again, check the stream for Sunday. I told you guys that this for me is a clear sign that if we are impulsive correction, many people will want to sell and make a new low. And I said it's most likely not going to do that. Why? Because it's easy to see. I mean, if you see impulse correction, you're always going to try to be impulsive on your next wave, right? So ABC pattern. So I was saying, let's look for buy orders from Sunday. So if you've been buying gold, well done to you. The setups have been done on Sunday. Intraday setups, let's look at this. Now, we are consolidating at these key levels now. And I want you to be careful there, right? So we're consolidating between 4,887 and 5,000, okay? So just bear in mind that we are in a consolidation level on a lower time frame. So I would say this break can happen anytime from now. Break, retest. Don't buy it now here. Wait for trap, then we go. Okay. So that's how we are going to take a gold today. Let's look at NASDAQ. Okay, so my analysis, this is for Sunday. Go check it out, guys. We don't delete our streams, by the way. Okay. You can go check out these things. We normally have them for you guys here. And I just want to show you guys something, because some of you take for granted the Sunday Sunday's analysis. Okay, don't take that for granted. That gives you a clear sign of what is it that you need to do, so you can position yourself nicely there. I just want to check something for you guys there. Okay, so this is Sunday evening. Okay, I'm gonna go back and try to show you guys our analysis for Sunday. Okay, so this was Sunday evening. Okay, I said to you guys on British pound, you wait for a retest, okay, and then buy it to the upside. Why? We've got a peak formation forming here, impulse correction, another impulse. What do you think a lot of retail traders are going to do? They are going to try to sell it here and try to make a new low, right? So this is Sunday's work, by the way. This is the work for Sunday, right? This is the work for Sunday. And let's look at what happened with British pound. Okay, there it is. There's that level we spoke about. What did I say to you guys? Don't. There it is. So I'm gonna go back to the stream for Sunday. This was the analysis, so we can do it before and after, right? So there. Okay, so I was basically saying wait for a discount, then let's go to the upside. There was your discount there. There's your discount coming in here. Okay, then you buy to the upside there. Can you see it? I'm on 4 hours. Okay, let me be on 4 hours here. So this is 4 hours current market. This is the analysis for Sunday. Okay, so if you attended the live stream on Sunday, let me remove this just to show you that this is Sunday's work. So if you attended the live stream on Sunday, you could have bought. I think since Nontlanta also spoke about, she missed it. I'm sure she was looking for buy orders. We as the Choppers Nation, we knew that, listen, we are buying this thing to the upside. Okay, we are buying this thing and going with it to the upside. So your buy was gonna come at around this indecision candlestick. You could have banked at least 97 to 100 pips to the upside. I hope you guys took a buy here on British pound. Okay. Let's also look at the other one. So I'm just doing a recap, just showing you guys the importance. So I even drew it like this for you guys, how you can buy it on 1 hour. So I'm gonna go back to 1 hour there, where I've circled it here, just this indecision stick. This is candlestick rather. This is where you were supposed to buy it according to the analysis for Sunday. There it is. Okay, I told you don't be fooled by this and say it's a downward trend. We have a counter. We could have made money with that counter. Okay, so let's look at others as well. Our another analysis came from let me see, AUD. Okay, so this is USD ZAR. This was the analysis for Sunday. Let's have a look at how it played out. Okay, this is USD ZAR. Let me try to go back and replay it. Okay. So USD ZAR, according to Sunday analysis, I know changing from one screen to another can be a bit annoying, but we need to do this so that you guys see the importance, because you are missing out on good trades. You're missing out on good trades. That if you are just, okay, so this was the analysis for USD ZAR, okay? We wait for a high at around this level, then drop with it. Okay, so let's go to USD ZAR. There it is. This was the analysis for USD ZAR on 4 hours. There. Okay. This was before, and then this is after. I hope it makes sense. So before it was like this, and then we said we sell to the downside. This is after. So you've got no business buying USD ZAR. We spoke about it on Sunday that we are only selling USD ZAR. As much as, and I told you that psychologically I'm conflicted because I've got some pending withdrawals and the rate is too low. I mean, now it's 15 Rand 91. That's not what I want to see. Really, that's not what I want to see. Okay, but it is what it is, man. Running a business always comes with challenges like this, where you're getting rates that are not favoring you and stuff like that. Okay, so let's have a look at another one, another analysis that came from Sunday. Let's see another analysis that came from Sunday. Okay, now this is gold. This is the analysis for gold on Sunday, 4 hours. Look at how it is. Okay, so we're gonna go back to gold and I'm gonna go to 4 hours. Okay, so the plan here was to get a discount. Gold was supposed to give us at least a discount, then we go to the upside, according to the analysis on Sunday. So unfortunately we did not get that discount because we wanted a discount like this and then go up. So we didn't get that discount. As you can see, this is a live market, and then the analysis from Sunday was like so. Okay, so tough luck on this one. Yeah, went our direction, but we didn't really get that discount. Okay, another one. Let's see, which one was this one? Okay, Bitcoin, I told you, buy only above 72,000. Anything below 42,000, don't buy Bitcoin. I hope you listen to me. There it is. I told you, buy only above 72,000. Okay, there. This is a live market now, right? Only above 72,000. Anything below 72,000, don't buy it. Don't buy it. I told you guys that one of the billionaires called Grant Cardone is saying, just buy it, buy it, buy it. And I said, let trading be for traders. Okay, so the guy, I have so much respect for him. He's in real estate. He's doing a lot of things, obviously, because he's a billionaire. I have so much respect. But when it comes to trading, they must leave trading to us, the traders. Okay, because we understand price action. We understand price action, and we also understand what is happening behind the scenes, how hedge funds and money managers are positioning themselves. So we're only buying Bitcoin. And I said, when you buy above 72,000, that's when now you say, hey, MJ, I can't wait. Okay, I want to be a bit, I want to take it with a pinch of salt. I want to risk this. Only above 72,000. I am only buying Bitcoin above 100,000. And we also spoke about it on Sunday. Okay, so that was the analysis for Bitcoin. It hasn't materialized as yet. Let's have a look at others here. What do we have? Okay, so that's the analysis for gold. It has already happened like that. British pound already happened. I wanted to check Nasdaq. Let's check Nasdaq. Nasdaq, very important, by the way, because I know a lot of you. Okay, so let's look at the analysis on Sunday. What did we say about Nasdaq? Okay, so this is Sunday's work. Okay, it's not now, it's not current price action. Okay, there. So this was the analysis for NAS 100. Okay, what did I say to you guys? This is a counter. A lot of people are seeing this as an impulsive movement correction. Another impulsive, oh, when you break support, you wait and support becomes your resistance. That's what we normally hear on the ground, right? And I told you, don't fall for that. Don't be scared of these markets. Take it the way it is, okay? So, Nasdaq, let's go to it. So, according to the analysis, we're supposed to buy Nasdaq this week. There. There's your buy there on Nasdaq. In black and white. Okay? According to the analysis, there's the analysis for Sunday. There's Nasdaq. So if you are not in, it's already late. It's done. Okay? It's already late. It's done. Okay, what else? German. Okay, so let's have a look at what we spoke about on German on Sunday. USD Japanese, we said we are going to sell it at the Fibonacci retracement, right? 786. Okay, so this is WTI. Let's see. I think WTI we got it wrong. I think we got WTI wrong. Let's see. No, we did not. Spot on. Spot on. WTI, according to the analysis for Sunday, there it is. Told you buy WTI at around this level, get a discount and go to the upside. There it is. Okay, so if you are still holding your buys on WTI, I don't see why you should be closing it, because your buy could have came at around $64 or so, $63 or so. So if you're still holding it, why not? Okay. So that's WTI. Let's see if we can have another one. Okay, the USD ZAR, we did it. Okay, so those were setups for Sunday. So if you took all the setups that we analyzed on Sunday, you've got no business telling me, Mr. President, there's no money, I lost money, or I blew an account. If you blew an account, you were not following our instructions. And I don't mean to say this I don't mean to be hard on you, but the importance of following one team that shares the same sentiment and analytical like you is very important. Okay, so yeah, those are the trades from Sunday, and it seems like the choppers are happy all the way to the bank. Okay, so let's see now what is it that we're gonna be doing. It's now 9:45. Market is about to open now. Okay, so I had a break-even trade that I took on Wednesday. We're gonna revisit it. This is Wednesday work. I mean Monday, man. What am I saying? Monday. So on Monday, we took a sell here as the choppers community. Here. Okay. So we took a sell here on Monday. I'll refer back to the group. So we took a sell here on Monday. There it is. I sent it on the group. Okay, so I sent this around 10:56, and I was saying to the members, I'm closely watching German 40 right now. For this to be a valid, I need to see price break and close below VWAP and hold it there. Until that happens, I stay patient and let the market show its hand. More updates when it develops. Okay, so I drew this for the members that, listen, this is what we're gonna be looking at. If we close below that and we hold that price, let's sell what is this, German 40. Okay, so after like 15 minutes, there's the entry. So I send this to the group. So I was like, I'm now risking German 40. I'm taking the German 40 setup. I'm risking 50% of the profit we made on Friday. Remember, this was Monday, and Friday we had some profits that we made. Not new capital. Example, for on Friday, if the risk reward was 1:2, if you risk $50, you made $100. Now, instead of risking the fresh money, you risk $50 from that $100 profit, potentially to make another 100. Okay, so that's how we compound while protecting capital, control the risk, and the same process. So this is what happened. Unfortunately, it went to our break-even point. So we took a sell here, there. It went at least 40% to TP. Then I use the 2-hour rule. Okay, remember the 2-hour rule. You are in, if you are taking intraday setups, you are a day trader like me. If you are trading it on 15 minutes, you know that you are only in the trade for 2 hours. If you are not in deep profits in 2 hours, or you are in break-even point in 2 hours time, something doesn't make sense. Okay, so I did send you guys a video explaining everything. So when I sent you guys the video, it was here, and I said I'm gonna close it on break even. Okay, so we didn't make money, no lose money on this trade. Okay, so if I'm really being honest with you guys, from Monday I only had one trade. Really, I haven't really done much. It's been a hectic days for me this week. But besides that, you know, I always make time for my trading. Besides the fact that it was busy, setups were not really nice for me. In fact, I had my pendings, I had my alerts. Some didn't get triggered, some did, and I was not able to execute because I was on the road. So, but as long as my community members made money, that means I made money. That's what makes me happy, man. Okay. Andrew Tate is saying Bitcoin is going to $25. Guys, don't listen to such kind of things on the internet. What is price action telling you? Okay, so COT, don't listen to people that says they want to, because some people they want to create hype on the internet, especially people that are influential like Andrew Tate. I've been talking about this Bitcoin, and a lot of people have been saying, especially the crypto guys, have been saying, MJ, you are crazy. MJ, you are crazy. Why shouldn't we buy it? Imagine if you bought it at 100,000. Okay, so euro dollar is consolidating between $1.18 and $1.19. I need to see how we break above these two price tags here. Then we can really find direction. But I'm waiting for the market to open now. Give us something to bite, and then we're all in. German close below VWAP. VWAP trading at $25,038. Guys, can you please do me a favor? Please like the stream. Like the stream. No, I'm lying. We had a euro dollar buy. We had a euro dollar buy on Monday. We had a euro dollar buy. I'm remembering this as I opened the trade journal. We had a euro dollar buy there. Yes, it was on Monday. We had a euro dollar buy there. We had a euro dollar buy. Let me scan and see if maybe we can get setups from the AI. Zaini says silver without me. I'm sorry, my friend. We'll catch another one. Don't worry. Gamer, it's good to see you. It's been a long time. Where have you been? Mpendule saying, saw somewhere that Grant Cardone is also selling his private jet to fund more Bitcoin long positions. Interesting. Very, very interesting. It's not even aware. It's not even aware. BTC is at 50% retracement between all-time and low and all-time highs. All-time lows and all-time highs. What's your take there, Musa? What are you gonna be doing? Where are you buying? Give me a price tag. Oh, by the way, let's look at USD Japanese. We had a analysis on that thing. I mean, guys, if you are not part of this community, man, I don't know what you're waiting for, eh? Look at that 786 retracement, man. How much of a killer is this? I sent this again on the group. There, look at it. Look at it. If you're not part of this community, I don't know what you're doing with your life, man. 786, sell it. Okay, so this is the analysis. Gold played out exactly how we had analyzed. We said above 400, blah, 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 blah. Okay, now we're shifting focus to USD Japanese. We have a setup forming around 786 Fibonacci retracement. Here are the levels to watch. Okay, sell at 786 Fib retracement. Where is your sell? There is your sell there. Okay, according to this analysis. Okay, let me put it on the screen here so that you guys can see it proper. I said we have a sell setup forming around 786 Fibonacci retracement. Sell area, it will be at 786 TP1 153606. First TP. Okay. One five three 606. This is the first TP. Okay. Second TP 152350. So your second TP is 152350. It's around this area here. Let me know if you took this one. So I sent this when I sent this last week already. I sent this on the 4th of February. There it is. That's 786. That's where you sell it. Okay. It's already gone. It's already gone. If you didn't take it, don't worry, we'll get another one. You know that clip where that guy says, "We'll buy another one. We'll sell another one." Guys, can we please like the stream? You guys, you just like ruin my mood. Please like the stream. So this was the setup for USD Japanese. Okay. Let me know down in the comment section if you took this one. Send this. Should I say it was a signal? This one looks like a signal, because all the prices were there. The prices were there. Okay, 4th of Feb, we send this. So if you count all the setup that we have done, maybe out of 12 trades, we won 9. Break even maybe 1 and lose 1. And that's not something where you can tap yourself and say, yeah, I'm the best. No, it happens. Sometimes you're not going to have a 9 out of 12. You're going to have a 6 out of 12. But if it's a good week, it's a good week, man. We have to embrace it. If it's a good week, it's a good week. I will never come on the stream and say my analysis are always 90% of the time. Nah, man. Let's be real. Let's be real. Okay, so there's USD Japanese. You could have sold it. And the AI as well gave us the same setup. This thing is saying, I've got no credits. Too many requests. Please try again after 8:52. Come on. So the AI doesn't want me to scan again. So it's giving me a signal on USD Japanese 75%. What do you mean I don't have credit? But it's fine. But it's fine. Okay, so session is about to open now. I need a scalp quickly. I think I'm gonna take a scalp on German. Oh, by the way, let me show you guys something. There's a cool feature we added here on our AI suite. If you go to Teach Me AI, you can play a game. So you choose whether you are a beginner, intermediate, or you are advanced. So I'm gonna say I'm a beginner. So you click on a beginner. So it's asking you identify the candlestick pattern. Okay. So you need to say whether it's an inverted hammer or it's a shooting star. So it's giving you the answer. So if you are wrong, it will give you an answer that, okay, you are incorrect. A shooting star forms to the top uptrend, blah, 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 blah. And then it gives you a tip, okay, a pro tip. The longer the upper wick relative to the body, the stronger the bearish reversal signal. Always wait for the next candlestick confirmation. So this helps also for those of you that say, I don't know the difference between a hammer or an inverted hammer. You can come here and then play this game. And the more you have answers on this thing, the more the AI can also help you. So if you say advanced, it's saying what is the best trade decision, okay? So now it's asking you, buy on the pullback, bounce, trend continuation, wait for the new highs before buying, no trade too risky in a pullback, or sell in the reversal. So you can choose your answer. Say buy on the pullback, bounce, trend continuation, and then it gives you an answer again. Okay. So this AI suite is all educational, guys. And for those people that say I'm just saying he's gonna launch this thing, I really want to give you guys the best. Please allow me. I promise you. Okay, so now there's a feature we are working on, but we are going to introduce it in the next phase. If you enter a trade and you don't put your TP, you don't put your stop loss, the AI is going to bother you. You're going to get a lot of notifications on your phone. your trade is not protected. Your trade is not protected. So you get notifications every now and then. So you need to go back and put your TP and your stop loss and then tell the AI that you've done that, and the AI will not bother you at all. So if you are struggling with discipline, this AI is just gonna, it's either you're gonna delete the app so that it doesn't bother you, but as long as you still have the app, it'll bother you. It'll bother you. So for those of you that put trades and then you forget to put your TP and your stop loss, you will get notification that you didn't protect your trade. Okay. So yeah, this is what we've been working on, guys, and I know I've been saying, yeah, we are launching it. It's ready. If you go to www.tradewithmj.co.za, you would find it there. So we did a soft launch last night, but let's see if most of you will go on the system, what's going to happen. Okay, so for those of you that are Octa clients, you're gonna get all these 3 AIs absolutely free. Okay, for those of you that are Octa clients, you're gonna get all these AIs for free. Okay, so Market Scanner, this helps you with getting some setups, also helps you with passing a PropFirm challenge. So if you come here and you put in your PropFirm, if you are trading with FTMO or you're trading with XC Select, you click on it, and then once you scan and you're about to enter a trade, the AI will tell you you are about to violate your PropFirm challenge because of, according to this PropFirm, you chose a package that is like this and you're about to violate. Because the problem that I always say, most indicators and most systems we find on the ground, you only learn after you have lost. That's what I have noticed. So when I was thinking of all of this concept, I was thinking of creating a system that can warn you, that can help you before you mess up. Rather than you lose a challenge and say, okay, now I know the lesson, I remember this is 1, 2, 3, that. But you already lost the challenge, right? You have to now get on another challenge. You have already lost money. So when we're developing this, we're developing in such a way that we're creating a system that will help you not mess up. Okay? Because people are losing money and they've learned the lesson after losing money. So how about create a system that doesn't only give you a lesson after you've lost money, it gives you a lesson before you could lose money. So that's what this trade with MJ system is all about. Okay, I hope you guys are ready for this. Okay, session open. We are open to the downside now, below that 25,000 mark. I want to see if we hold and defend this level here. Okay, if we break below this level, I'm gonna wait for correction, then I'm going down. Okay. Lerato is saying, MJ, I have 130K to fund with 4 years of experience. Are you affiliated with any broker I can use or recommend a reliable? Okay, I'll be. And guys, I'm sure you guys know me from all the years I've been around. You don't see me hopping from one broker to another. Okay, so send me a text there, Lerato. Use Octa. You know, if you just joined us now, you would know that I started the stream late. I started the stream 15 minutes, 20 minutes late. Why? Because I was having an Octa client that was having a problem making a deposit. And at the same time, I was having another client in the morning when I was at gym. Somebody texted me and said, President, I made a withdrawal with Octa. It should be instant. I don't have it in my bank account as yet. So I was dealing with that. And I can tell you now, while I'm on the stream, the client just sent me a text that the deposit reflected. And then the other one, he got his money for withdrawal. So I had to sort that out. So, yeah. I would recommend Octa all the time. So I'm going to just drop my number there. Just give me a text and The other thing I want to say to you, Lerato, when you say you've got 130,000, what is the plan? Like, what are you planning with that money? I would say, if you don't have a plan, don't make a deposit. Because, I mean, it's a lot of money. And if you don't have a plan, you're going to, years of experience. Yes, I see you say you have 4 years of experience, but that means nothing if you don't have a plan going forward. So if there's no plan, I would really say to you, don't make a deposit. But if you have a plan, or you want me to help you with a plan, then hit me up. Then maybe I can help you with a plan. So you can send me a text there, or send an email to mj@tradewithmj.co.za, or send our office an email at info@tradewithmj.co.za. So I hope I make sense, Larado. Because we mentors come here and say, yeah, just make a deposit, just make a deposit, just make a deposit. I mean, this is money that people have worked for, man. Just to tell somebody to make a deposit because you want to benefit doesn't really make sense. Okay, well, it makes sense for you because you want to benefit, but if really you make your money via brokers, that's what you will be pushing all the time. Make a deposit now because Friday is NFP, because you want those rebates. We don't really care about those rebates. Like I always tell you, you can make a deposit now and after 3 days withdraw your money and still get some services from us. Zeno, good to see you, my friend. Biggs Fitness says, Mr. President, are you trading prop firms? Yes, FTMO, my friend, and Funda Pro. And I'll also be honest, I'm not affiliated with FTMO or Funda Pro. So if you're having issues there, I can't help you. But if you are having issues with Okta, I can really help you. What is it that you guys are trading? Please let me know there in the comment section. Okay, Nasdaq, we closed below that 25,200 mark. We're now trading at 25,160. Let me see. I think I'm going to be short-term bearish on my indices this morning. Short-term, by the way. Short-term. Tomorrow it's a Thursday. We are having another webinar at 7 p.m. Please make sure that you do join us. It's a free webinar. It's going to be happening on Zoom. 7 p.m. Carlos, that's a good question, my friend. And I know when I'm gonna answer you, it always bothers a lot of people. So I'll be just frank with you. I trade. My two favorite pairs to trade in FX is GBP and Euro Dollar, and then two commodities, silver and gold. Indices, German 40 and NAS 100. Crypto, I like Bitcoin and XRP. Those are my two. Okay, recently joined the XRP gang. I was not really a fan at the but I so all you see here is not everything that I trade. It's some here is what the guys are trading here. So obviously I need to accommodate them. And then WTI is also my favorite. So I would have WTI as well as Brent crude. So I normally move. I normally, for every instrument I will have like two. So FX pairs I will have two. FX market I will have two. Commodities market I will have two. Okay, so my two favorite stocks, Tesla and Nvidia. Okay, I've lost a lot of interest on Google. and Apple. So now my top two is Tesla and Nvidia. Jimmy is asking, how much is your mentorship? What if I tell you that it's free? So Jimmy, what you need to do, there's an Okta link there. So we've got people that are in this group right now, okay? The people that are here are in our mentorship program as well as our coaching program. These people have funded with Okta. I always say to you, rather than you pay for my time, why don't you take an alternative as you signing up with Okta? That's it. It's free, my friend. Guys, please like the stream. Someone asked me a question yesterday. So it was like, MJ, what do you think of guys that are floating millions in their trading accounts and the account says real? And I was like, well, I don't know if it's real money or not, but what I know is that even me, I can go to a broker and say, hey, my name is MJ Givens, and I need to work with you guys. Can you give me a test account? Just write 1 million there. I want to show people. That's all I'm saying. Whether it's true or it's not, I don't know. But what I know is that, remember, we interview a lot of these guys. So we also understand behind the scenes. Okay, we need to get our cell here on German. Okay, so we've just violated this level. Please allow me to remove this. Okay, VWAP trading at 25,000. We're now at 24,939. So we have violated that 25,000 mark. We need a correction, then we can go down. Excuse me. One can say, Mr. President, why don't we sell a British pound USD there, maybe as a FIP retracement? Not yet. Not yet. Private members, please expect a video from me today. I'm gonna send you guys a video on the trades that we're gonna also be focusing on for New York session. Okay. Y'all are quiet. What are you trading today, guys? Let me know there in the comments. Markets are slow, eh? There's not really much going on here. Okay. I think I like what I see on AUD. Let me show you guys something here. Come on, CNBC wants me to be on the show. Just got a text from CNBC. I don't know. Imagine it's 10 o'clock, CNBC wants me at 12. What time will I study? Let me hear from you guys. Let me hear from you guys. Should I honor this interview? Let me hear from you guys. Should I honor this CNBC interview? It's happening at 12 today. Should I honor this interview? Let me hear from you guys. Informative is let's study together. You can leave at 11. Hey man, you know the preparation for the interview is just crazy, man. Like you have to study all South African markets, South African local based companies, international. Man, it's a lot of work. And Mpendulo, you did say, my friend, you said since you gave that signal, they will want another signal. Mpendulo, you did say they had me ask when you're going back to them Sunday. And you did say on Sunday, Mr. President, when are we going for a CNBC fund? I think they want another signal for gold. Okay, it's fine. Let's do it. I see a lot of you are saying, Musa say if you are not prepared, don't. Just Momentum is saying, honor it, Mr. President, but we need you for the webinar tomorrow. Fungile, that's a good question. So I don't know what we're gonna speak about, man. Okay, so let me honor it, guys. I really wanted to. I attend my other meetings. Okay, so let me just plug you with AUD quickly, then let me go and prepare for my interview. Let me just reply to them. Okay, so AUD USD, this is what I'm looking at. So I'm looking at, well, you know this alert here. You guys remember this alert? We wanted to buy at this alert. Remember, this was going to be a counter and go up. We discussed this on Sunday, right? So with how it looks now, let's get a counter here. So let's wait for the market to touch this support level, then we can go down. Okay, don't put your TP at your next support, which is at this level. Don't put your TP there, right? So maybe we can easily bank 40 pips or so. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, let me go on this interview and go study. Let me go study. Yeah, man, yeah, it is what it is. Ijopi, right? Ijopi. And I had someone saying, MJ, you get paid for these interviews. Man, who will pay you to appear on TV? Just like that, on the news. You think Julius Malema is being paid when he's being interviewed by the news, by SABC? Nah, we don't get paid for this thing. We are just contributing to the industry, man. It's just, I'm there, I'm representing you guys. And whenever you hear me say, we looking at, I'm talking about you guys. When I say we, who do you think I'm talking about? I'm talking about my community. And by the way, for you to go on CNBC, man, they do a thorough research. Like, they do a serious background check. If they see that you've been scamming and doing all these funny things, you will never be on that platform. So, all right, guys, thank you so much for your time. I'll catch you guys 12 o'clock CNBC Africa, channel 410 DSTV. I'll see you guys then. Cheers, guys.